All right, I want to go over a cool, maybe hidden feature of using NetDocs and Word Online, and that's the ability for two people to be in the same Word document, Excel file, PowerPoint file, or more than two people and work on it at once. In NetDocs, let's check the box next to one document, and I'm going to right click. We're going to come into Open In, and we will choose Word Online. Once that happens, this document will be opened in Word Online. We will come over to Share, and I'm just going to click on Share here. And now Outlook is going to open up. And let me just shrink this down so you can see. Canned email from NetDocs. You know, Craig is trying to edit this document, and we just type in who we want to share the document with. Hit send. All right, so we're in the document, we're working. Let's go on to our collaborator's computer. Let's open up their Outlook. All right, they're getting this email. Craig is editing this document online, invites you to edit as well. Let's click on Open Online. And notice NetDocs is opening up. Okay, now, issue here, and this happens, pop-up blocking. So I'm gonna hit done. So I'm no longer blocking the pop-up anymore. And that's something you have to deal with Google Chrome. So let's come back again, Open Online. Document is listed, and then it automatically opens up. So now we have two people, and it's telling you the other person are working on the document at the same time. So here are Wayne's changes, and if we shrink down here, Craig Bayer's in this as well. Look, here are Wayne's changes. Like, you're seeing in real time the typing that each of you are doing. I'll just bring this up because this is interesting, is you don't save the document, you just close it. So again, just by closing this document here, and then we'll do it on the other computer as well, it is just closing it here will save it with all the changes. So that's the only thing you have to do, and now the document will be listed as checked back in. And if we, look at the document again, we will be able to see changes that have been made. Here are Wayne's changes. Why is this here? So that's how you can collaborate on Word documents with one another in NetDocs.